In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chorus in Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to structure your lyrics so the chorus lands cleanly and repeats the way you expect. First, open your browser and search for Suno AI. In the results, look for the official Suno AI music generator and click through to the site. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, go ahead and create one so you can access the creation tools. Being logged in ensures your projects save properly and you can revisit them later. Once you're in, find the Create button on the main dashboard and click it. This takes you to the music creation area. Here, choose Custom. Custom mode is perfect for adding a chorus because it lets you paste your own lyrics with clear section labels, which helps the model understand your song's structure. In the lyrics box, start by adding your first verse. Use the section header format with brackets so the system recognizes it. Type verse 1 on its own line, then add your opening lyric. This is my story starting today. Feel free to complete verse 1 with a few more lines that set the tone, introduce the theme, or establish the rhythm you want. Keeping your lines concise and consistent in length helps the generator map melody and phrasing more reliably. Now add your chorus. On a new line, type chorus, then enter your hook. For example, we rise up, we shine tonight. On the next line, add, this is our moment, feel the light. The chorus is your anchor, so keep the wording exactly the same each time it appears. Repetition helps the model identify it as the hook and treat it like a repeated section. Next, create your second verse. Add verse 2 on a new line, then a supporting lyric like, nothing can hold us down. This verse should build on your message or add a new detail while keeping a similar rhythm to verse 1, so the transition back to the chorus feels natural. After verse 2, repeat the same chorus with the exact lines. We rise up, we shine tonight, followed by, this is our moment, feel the light. Matching punctuation and spacing further improves consistency. Before generating, give your song a clear title in the title field. Choose something that reflects the chorus or main idea so it's easy to find later. When everything looks good, click Create. That's it. Your structured lyrics with a defined chorus are ready for Suno AI to turn into music.